Prospecting and qualifying, or the research phase, is where you're going to do a lot of the heavy lifting in the sales process. Hi, I'm Dane from HubSpot Academy. Prospecting and qualifying is where you're going to identify and pursue good fit customers. This means finding leads and prospects who truly need your product or service to solve their challenges and pain points. Not only should you research your prospects, but you need to understand your company's offerings so you can find the products and services that will work best for the prospect you're working with. Think about the person reading your email or outreach. What does it feel like to read this from the perspective of a VP of sales? Is there any reason to read or open it? 99% of outreach is a template and buyers are not impressed. Do your research. It will give your process a head start. Ask yourself how you can make the receiver care about your outreach. Do you understand what your prospect's job is? If you really understand them, you can get the recipient to think and respond. Don't forget about thoroughly qualifying too. Reaching people effectively is just the beginning. How do you make sure that they're the right fit? Here's Patrick Downs, Sales Enablement and Training Manager at PandaDoc, talking about the main things he wants to know when he's qualifying.
The main things I want to know when I'm qualifying are, why are we talking now instead of like 2 months ago or 2 months from now? Has this person bought something similar before? And what was that process like? And what is their expectation of pricing? Not necessarily what their budget is, but what do they expect and what do they know about it? And if they really love what I show them, how do they go and get that money? And what do they do to go to bat for it?
To quickly recap, ask yourself why the prospect is talking to you now and not 2 months ago or months from now. Questions like these, or the others that Patrick mentioned, will give you valuable insight into what your prospect's business is currently struggling with. You could even speak with other people at your prospect's company to learn more. This will give you a clearer picture of how the company works, what its objectives are, and how your offerings can provide a solution. You'll want to arm yourself with as much valuable information as possible that is directly related to the problems the business is facing. That way, when you pitch your solution, it's closely tied to your prospect's core objectives. To find out how to do effective sales research and crush your quota, check out the How to Close a Sale lesson that we've put together with the folks at PandaDoc over at HubSpot Academy. Till next time, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos like these.